this video, we will study and practice English together with stories. Are you ready to study? Let's begin. The Little Blue Bird. There was a little blue bird named Bluey. Bluey lived in a nest in a big tree. One day, Bluey wanted to fly. She flapped her wings and jumped. Bluey was flying. She flew over the trees and the flowers. Bluey was very happy. She loved flying. Let's repeat the story again. There was a little blue bird named Bluey. Bluey lived in a nest in a big tree. One day, Bluey wanted to fly. She flapped her wings and jumped. Bluey was flying. She flew over the trees and the flowers. Bluey was very happy. She loved flying. Now is your turn to read the story. Question. Do you know the meaning of this word in your language? If you don't know, then ask your parents. Little. Bird. Nest. Tree. Fly. Wing. Now, you already know the meaning of these words. Let's repeat the story again. There was a little blue bird named Bluey. Bluey lived in a nest in a big tree. One day, Bluey wanted to fly. She flapped her wings and jumped. Bluey was flying. She flew over the trees and the flowers. Bluey was very happy. She loved flying. Now is your turn to read the story. Question number 2. What's the name of the bird in the story? Where Bluey living? What's the color of Bluey? Thanks for watching.